It's your boy Cragsick, and today in the Aid workshop I'm fitting these to my pit bike. Now these are fiddly little things. Now the best way I find to do it is, and I'll show you, is you get your sport wrap, bearing in mind get the right size for the right wheel. Now you're going to have to trim these things. So what I do is I get my sport wrap and I put it to the wheel, find out where to cut it, which should be there. Now you don't have to use a craft knife or anything silly. Trim it like so. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Find my camera. Pop it in. Spin it till you find the little cut down one side, which can be quite fiddly. Don't stab yourself in the hand. And what you want to do is pop it open like that, and you slide that down the spoke. So that's on your spoke. Push it down and then bend it, and as you're pulling it down the spoke you push with your thumb. When it gets right to the end it'll clip, and you'll end up with something a bit like that. Pain in the bum it might be, but well worth it in the end. And I'll have to let you know how it goes. It's by Cragsick in a bizzle.